can I speak to you for a moment?
Okay.
How was the meeting, no?
Oh, the meeting was fantastic.
Okay. The rally is set up now.
Yes, the rally is set up. We are ready to go.
And what is the whole purpose of the rally?
The whole purpose of the rally is to let people know, to bring awareness to the people, and to let the whole community know that Triple M is paying and that Triple M has changed our lives and Triple M has changed other people's lives. And also to let our government know that Triple M hasn't eaten our money, they hasn't run away with our money. Indeed, they have changed our lives.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We appreciate the help you continue to give us, the spirit in the community as well.
Thank you.
All right.